So I'm going to do some errands this morning. I'm going to run some errands. I'm going to stock up the business for Valentine's. Yeah, so for Valentine's I'm going to stock up the business. I have some stuff that I need to get, like I need some main watch set. I need some I have only for perfume. We need some other little stuff, so I'm going to check out some of our local suppliers. These are Chinese suppliers that I have locally. I'm going to check them out and get some stuff there, and then I go stop at the bank first. I actually opened my business account, so I have a US account, business account, and a Jamaican business account. So I opened the business accounts. So I stop at the bank, and then me not drive. I go stop at the bank and then me make the errands. So hopefully I can carry you along with me and see you. Why? One of the scissors here sharp, me can take it. Gotcha. So I'm in the bank now. I'm just actually waiting to collect my token for my business account and some other stuff. So I'm just waiting a little. Alright. Yeah. Guess what? May I just rest this here, so I will carry the box in that same one. Because
I walk on it and struggle with the back then. Genuine parts and you want genuine this. I say, yo, when me go deliver this myself.
I look on the parts so you have to care for genuine.
I go down there, see. I want to go and tell her, I say, yo, my girl at 3,000 extra for that service. I say, yeah, man, go on. So I go down there. Down there, I'll lay away with me. When you get the bumper, everything of the tire with the branding and the plastic. Go down there. So it's a big man. See a parcel. Yo, then I'm the bus here. The amount of delivery me do with that bus, I say, yo, I could manage with the car. I couldn't do it.
pack. Bag. I look over the other side there, so where them have over there. So when the one across the oh, no, the other over there is different. Monday to farmer workplace, we did miss the one that where she did there, you know. And then the tissue place.
Get this color deal and everything. Get this 1.92 something, you know. Right? The van value 2.7, you know. Whole person that carry it.
The red one. Well, the mirror work.
Can't see, man. Mirror they need to change my broke and you can't adjust the certain angle.
Look some.
Look comfortable.
I'm up. Oh. How about the other stairs up this one? That's a long line, you know. Would have changed my mind. Now come. Just check out something. Hi. Yes. Just passing by on the side to look. Look here. Look here. See the other one here. Look here. Yeah. Very nice. We want to place the order for the food so that by the time we finish the soup, the food ready. Yeah. I was looking for Sichuan chicken. I don't have that. No, give me sweet and sour white rice.
And shrimp fries.
We're not ordered that yet. I eat my piece of wonton and then we can
So chocolate and pineapple juice.
pineapple.
It's good.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. up in life for a minute.
Yeah.
That mash up my boss.
Wow.
Head gasket that, you know. Yeah, man. Straight head gasket that, you better shut off that. Where burn up?
Wait, tell him.
Eh?
Where am I shut ya?
Then if you shut off, you can't go drive it. I remember saying
Oh.
so
Oh.
when you lick head gasket, you forget.
You never know how it did a smoke.
Remember when you come through, man.
What told you? It did a smoke?
You may drive with that smoke at the
I
top.
remember it did a smoke.
Me in a Benz Mark X and Tina. Oh shit.
I reversing my reversing
I'm
it.
not going out, but me say I'm not going out the right way.
Am I going there?
That one to see.
Are you still a go yes or share?
It 2 hours can hold na that. And if you not park good, me go just run in it and show him how to park in it. He not going out. I come, he must have come out.
Oh.
Come on, man, I show you, say, you don't mean
Come here,
business.
come out.
Come here, come out, because this could have 2 hours could have hold. Bathroom there on the back end. Michael.
That two. Not proper barrier. Hmm? What am I say? What am I say? Bumbat! Oh my gosh, when I get here, like a girl just restock on some goods again, you know. Look here. Well, don't mind ramming off my daughter. But look here. Oh my god, look at this cute stuff that I got. Look here. Look here. Look here. All heap of niceness. Here now. I have more nice stuff. Like, I get some mini purse to go in and some my box them. Get some nice mini fan. I'll show you how them here look. Them here. Hey, get you them fan here. Different level. So me have them in a different color, and then have them type here too. Yeah, different color too. See color them up there, so them coming out. Let me get some more watch set. Let me get more watch set. What are over here so now? Hold on there. Over here, so these are kids pencil set, purple, blue, and pink. Oh, the set here did drop a while ago. And then I have wallets. I get more wallets. These are some kids book set, boy. Yeah. Then you have the blue underworld. Then you have these astronaut type. Yeah. Yeah, so these are boys. Then you have these type, the girl type, and then I have perfumes. Yeah, so under there some I have perfume and some book, paper note book. Yeah man, and I have perfumes again. So whole heap of stock coming in, and I have a new way now that I'm going to post my stuff. Yeah, over here.
POV, you own a small business, but still clock in at your 9.